What if you could make espresso, cappuccino, latte, Americano, and even iced coffee with just one touch? Today we're reviewing the Philips 5500 series fully automatic espresso machine with LatteGo, a bean-to-cup coffee machine designed to make café-style drinks without the complicated setup of a traditional espresso machine. It offers 20 hot and iced coffee recipes, a 100% ceramic grinder, LatteGo milk frothing, SilentBrew technology, QuickStart, and customizable coffee settings. But is this the right automatic coffee machine for your home? Let's find out. The Philips 5500 is designed for convenience. Instead of grinding beans separately, measuring coffee, tamping the grounds, and manually steaming milk, the machine handles almost everything automatically. You can choose from 20 different hot and iced coffee recipes, including espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, Americano, flat white, and several iced coffee options. The machine also allows you to customize coffee strength, volume, and milk froth, making it easier for different people in the household to create their preferred drinks. Let's start with the coffee making system. The Philips 5500 uses a 100% ceramic grinder with 12 grind settings, ranging from fine to coarse. That gives you control over how the beans are ground and allows you to adjust the machine to different coffee beans and taste preferences. There's also an extra shot function, which lets you add more coffee flavor to compatible recipes without necessarily increasing bitterness. And with QuickStart, the machine can begin preparing your selected coffee without a long manual warm-up process. The biggest highlight is probably the LatteGo milk system. It uses cyclonic frothing technology to create smooth milk foam for drinks like cappuccinos and lattes, and Philips says it can also work with plant-based milk alternatives. Cleaning is particularly simple. The LatteGo system consists of just 2 parts with no tubes, and Philips says it can be cleaned in under 10 seconds under the tap or in the dishwasher. The machine also features an intuitive color display and allows you to save personalized drinks in user profiles. Philips additionally claims its SilentBrew technology makes the machine 40% quieter than previous models and carries Quiet Mark certification. In everyday use, the Philips 5500 is all about making specialty coffee quickly and consistently. The built-in grinder handles fresh beans, the automatic brewing system prepares the coffee, and LatteGo takes care of the milk froth. The machine has a 1.8-liter water tank and 275-gram bean container, giving it enough capacity for multiple drinks before needing frequent refills. For maintenance, the AquaClean filter system can allow up to 5,000 cups without descaling, depending on usage and filter replacement requirements. The result is a machine that's particularly attractive for households that want a wide variety of drinks without spending time manually preparing every cup. So, is the Philips 5500 series fully automatic espresso machine with LatteGo worth buying? If convenience, variety, and easy maintenance are your priorities, this machine makes a strong case. You get 20 hot and iced coffee recipes, a 12-setting ceramic grinder, LatteGo milk frothing, SilentBrew technology, QuickStart, customizable drinks, extra shot functionality, and easy milk system cleaning. The main advantage is that you get a wide range of coffee shop-style drinks without needing barista-level skills. It's especially appealing for busy households, coffee lovers, and anyone who wants fresh bean-to-cup coffee at the touch of a button. The main thing to consider is the price compared with simpler automatic espresso machines. Philips US pricing varies by model and promotion, so it's worth checking the current deal before buying. Overall, if you want a versatile, user-friendly fully automatic espresso machine with an exceptionally easy milk system, the Philips 5500 LatteGo is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available deals, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of coffee machines, kitchen appliances, smart home products, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.